What's up, crypto crew? Welcome back to Zacchy Crypto Update, the only place you need for unfiltered crypto insights. I'm your main man, Zacchy, and today we're talking about a meme coin that refuses to quit, Shiba Inu. Forget the dog park drama. We're diving deep into some serious technical signals and on-chain activity that could send Shiba Inu parabolic. Are you ready to see if $0.301 is really on the cards? Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get straight to this explosive analysis. Alright, let's get straight to the juicy stuff. Feast your eyes on this weekly chart for Shiba Inu. Notice anything significant? That's right. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, has just flashed a major buy signal. Now, for those of you who are new here, the MACD is a powerful momentum indicator and a buy signal on the weekly time frame. Well, that's like a rocket booster getting ready to ignite. What makes this even more compelling is that this buy signal has formed after what looks like a classic double bottom pattern. See these two low points here? That's the market telling us that sellers tried to push the price down, but buyers stepped in with serious conviction twice. This double bottom, coupled with the MACD buy signal, suggests a significant shift in momentum from bearish to bullish. It's like the market did a U-turn and is now pointing firmly upwards. My thinking here is that this confluence of technical signals, the weekly MACD buy and the double bottom, provides a strong foundation for a potential breakout. These aren't just fleeting signals, they represent sustained buying interest over a longer period. So, where could this bullish momentum take us? The immediate target we're watching is that neckline of the double bottom pattern, sitting around $0.4033. A decisive break above this level would be a major confirmation of the bullish reversal. Now, the measured target of this double bottom pattern actually sits way up at $0.5045. But the ultimate prize many of you are eyeing is that elusive $0.301 mark. If Shiba Inu can conquer that $0.5045 level, the all-time high of $0.4088 becomes the next major hurdle. Clearing that could very well pave the way to our $0.301 target. Keep in mind, though, that the road to $0.301 won't be a straight line. We'll likely see some resistance along the way. But the fact that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has broken above 50 for the first time since January 2025 tells us that bullish momentum is indeed building and has some serious strength behind it. This crossover is another solid confirmation of the buying pressure we're seeing. Now here's where things get really interesting. Despite over $1 million in long positions getting liquidated recently, the Shiba Inu price rally has barely flinched. Think about that for a second. Usually, when you see that many leveraged positions getting wiped out, it creates a wave of selling pressure that can halt or even reverse a rally. But Shiba Inu has shrugged it off. This tells me that the buying pressure in the spot market is incredibly strong. People aren't just betting on margin, they're actually buying and holding Shiba Inu. Furthermore, the positive funding rates we're seeing on CoinGlass indicate that those who are in long positions are willing to pay a fee to keep them open, a clear sign of bullish conviction. My take on these liquidations is that they might even be strategic moves by larger players to create liquidity and get better entry points for their own substantial buys. It's like shaking the tree to get rid of weak hands before the real climb begins. And the bullish news doesn't stop there. The total value locked, or TVL, on Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution, is shooting towards a massive $4 billion. This is huge! It shows that the ecosystem around Shiba Inu is growing, with more and more users engaging with DeFi applications on the network. As Shibarium gains traction and more people use the network, it increases the utility of the Shiba Inu token. Plus, increased activity on Shibarium can also lead to more Shiba Inu being burned, further reducing the circulating supply and potentially driving up the price. It's a fantastic feedback loop. This growing adoption on Shibarium adds another strong layer to the bullish case for Shiba Inu. It's not just hype. There's actual development and usage happening. So there you have it, Crypto Nation. Shiba Inu is showing some serious bullish signals, and the potential for a run towards $0.301 is definitely looking more promising. But remember, this is a volatile market and anything can happen. Please remember, folks, that cryptocurrency investments carry significant risk. This analysis is for informational and educational purposes only, and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for tuning in to Zacchy Crypto Update. If you found this analysis helpful, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more crypto deep dives, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next update. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's go, Shiba Inu Army.